mahirap ang nursing, di ba? We were all like drained during COVID. If you feel burned out, you're not alone. Kasi napagdaanan ka din yan. For sure napagdaanan nyo din.
Yes.
As a nurse, like, mapaburn out ka talaga. During that time, parang photography yung parang nag-save sa akin. Yung sabi ko nga, you need practice. You need to go out there to do it.
Kahit paulit-ulit ka na lang sa Westminster.
I know.
Actually, yun kasi yung office namin eh.
Lahat ng photographer na sa Westminster. This episode is sponsored by TransferGo Philippines.
Kung gusto niyo magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas na safe at abot kaya ang padala mo with low fees and high exchange rates, i-TransferGo na yan. What's up everyone? Another day, another nurse. And this is EJ, your nurse photographer in the UK.
And this is Siege Manto, your digital nurse from London. This is a show created by nurses for nurses. This is the Nurse Show!
Siege, how are you?
I'm good bro. Ikaw, kumusta?
Okay naman. So, another nurse?
Yes. By the way bro, thank you pala sa TransferGo for this episode.
Yeah, kung gusto niyo magpadala sa Pilipinas with low fees and high rates, i-TransferGo na yan.
Bro, alam mo ba? Alam ko, photographer ka, di ba?
Yes,
ako,
bro.
parang nag-start din ako sa photography. Yung guest natin ngayon, bro. Kung photographer ka sa UK, I'm sure kilala mo siya.
Of course. And bro, kung sinasabi ko dito na I'm a nurse photographer in the UK, eto legit talaga.
Siya yung legit
nurse
na
photographer in the UK. Ano lang, siguro pangalawa lang ako dito sa kanya.
Kasi alam ko, nakita ko sa ano niya, siya yung photographer ni Nurse Even.
Banks Garcia.
Banks Garcia.
Iba.
Ni Siege Manto soon.
Joke lang. Baka ako rin, baka pwede niya akong picturean din. Diba? Kasi lagi ako na lang nagpipicture.
Oo.
Pero, in short, ano kasi, follower ako nito.
Ako fan.
Follower and fan.
Di pa.
Every picture like.
Okay, sige.
Okay, sige.
Ano, pakilala natin?
Sige. Patagalin pa.
Pakilala natin, ikaw pakilala.
Okay, so, our guest for today, walang iba, kundi RV Tong.
Woo!
Guys.
RV Tong
Hello.
Photography.
Hi, kumusta? Thanks for having me.
Thank you, Arvito.
Grabe naman yung intro niya.
Siyempre. Thank you, RV. Thank you, bro.
No, thank you.
First time ko makita si Arvito, actually. Pero,
Yeah, first time.
ang gaan ng
first
loob
time.
ko kay Arvito. Char.
Wow.
Sabi ko nga, bro.
Feeling close.
Puro lang ako like ng pictures eh.
Wow.
Ngayon, kausap ko na.
Wow.
Iba, no?
Basta. Oo yung intro niya, guys.
Actually, totoo man. Ano ka, di ba yung, nalala ko nga yung first message ko sa'yo, Hi Arvito, I'm a fan.
Wala akong maalala si.
Ay, wala pala. Baka ibang ano yun, ibang photographer
Baka
pala.
iba yun.
Una-una, bro, congrats pala. Congrats on your photography
Thank you, maraming
business.
salamat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, marami kaming, di mo lang alam, fan ng iyong craft.
Come on.
Yeah. So, ako as a photographer, of course, lagi kitang sinusubaybayan yung
Wow.
mga shots mo.
Actually, late ko din nalaman na nurse pala si ano.
Yeah,
si,
I'm a nurse. Yeah.
Anyway,
Oo.
kumusta yung travel mo dito? Okay.
Oh,
okay lang.
it's alright. Well, it's busy kasi may event I think sa London ngayon. So, but it's fine. No, not a problem.
Okay, RV. So, we want to know more about you. Of course.
Konti lang,
Konti lang?
The joke.
Hindi, ano kami? Talagang dig deep kami sa personal na
May
joke
tissue
lang.
ba kayo dito?
Baka umiyak ka.
Sige,
yeah.
taga saan ka, RV, and sige, taga
From
saan
Philippines.
from there?
So, originally, taga North Korea.
North Korea.
Hindi,
Kasama
joke
si
lang.
Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un ka pala.
Yes, I'm from the Philippines. Taga Cagayan. Cagayan Valley, which is in the north, sa Luzon. It's a town called Solana. It's near the capital, which is Tuguegarao, if you've heard about
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
How was your nursing journey back in the Philippines?
So I studied at St. Paul University in Tuguegarao.
Sa St.
Shout
Paul.
out sa mga Pauline yan. Yeah.
May alala ko sa St. Paul.
Yeah, so and then after that I worked in the Philippines, volunteered for a year, and then nag-work ako as a government nurse for like a year also. And then I worked in Saudi.
Saudi ka.
Naghanap tayo ng Saudi nurse.
Actually, oo.
Naghanap
Pwede
tayo
ako.
kagabi. Meron
Sige.
ka.
Ikaw na din.
So, ano to? Part 1, part 2.
Yeah, for a couple of years, and then 2018 I moved to the UK as a nurse, and yeah.
What year did you graduate? Graduated as a nurse?
Ito naman.
Para malaman namin yung edad mo.
2008.
Magkabatch tayo.
Magkabatch tayo.
2018 ako.
Yeah. So, 28 ka din?
Yes, I'm
28
28 years old.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Basta ako 24
10 years
ako.
ago.
Yeah, tapos so yung work mo sa Philippines, ano ka, like, what kind of nurse are you? What department?
So, dun sa private hospital, nag-volunteer ko. So, na-assign ako sa parang private area, private rooms, parang ganun.
Private ward, parang
Private ward,
ward.
private ward.
ganun.
Yeah. And then after that, after a year, sumala ako dun sa aling parang merong community program ng government.
Iron Hills?
Yung parang gano'n.
Ah,
Yeah. So for 8 months, parang gano'n. Pero nakalimutan ko na. Then after that, I applied to Saudi and then yan, pinalad naman and then I went to Saudi.
Ilang years ka doon sa Saudi?
More than 5.
Matagal din.
Matagal
Grabe.
siya. Matagal.
Is it a, military hospital? Di ba uso yung mga...
No, una is like a company nurse. And then after that, lumipat ako into a government hospital.
Okay.
Yeah. So yung last experience ko sa Saudi is ER nurse. Dun sa government hospital. And then nag-move ako sa UK as an ER nurse ulit.
Uy,
Pareho kami.
kayo.
Yeah.
Photographer din.
Saan ka dito, if you don't mind?
Pwede bang bang hindi joke lang. Sa Ealing Hospital.
Okay.
Yeah, so from that was like from 2018 to 2020, and then I left at the peak of COVID sa A&E, and then I joined Theater Recovery.
Pareho kami. Daming pareho namin ni RV.
Yeah.
Left
Theater
at the peak
coverage?
of...
Yeah, so Theater Recovery, lumipat naman ako sa Northwick Park Hospital. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, maraming Filipinos na
Oo,
nurse
madami.
sa Northwick Park Hospital.
Yeah.
And then after that, after a year's recovery, I moved to Kent to Ashford, and then I did endoscopy. So that's my
Grabe
last.
Parang,
That's
okay,
my
kayo
last-
na usap.
Bro.
That's my last experience. Endoscopy ka din.
Oo.
Sabi mo yun.
Yeah.
Ba't ang dami natin? Palit
I
tayong
know,
pogi.
di ba? Yeah, photographer ba?
Photographer.
Yeah.
Edi kayo na. Joke lang. Pero when did photography go sa picture na within your nursing journey sa Philippines ba, or before nag-nurse, gusto mo na yung photography?
I think photography is like matagal na, like siguro nasa college pa ako. Kasi if I remember nung binigyan ako ng mom ko ng phone na may camera, yung I think alam mo yung Nokia na may camera na may joystick. That's the first phone camera that I
City 6,
used.
Kalimutan ka.
32 something.
Naalala ko yung model, pero
Merong siyang
Oo.
joystick sa gitna, ganun.
okay,
Ayan, so from
okay.
there, parang hilig ko nang kumuha ng photo of my friends, family, and then mga selfie ko noon. Uso kasi that before, diba? And then after noon, pagpunta ko naman ng Saudi, na-afford ko na bumili ng Samsung phone and then a GoPro. And then since meron akong pera nag-Saudi ako, I did travel a lot. So sa Philippines, ganun. Tapos ginagamit ko lang yung GoPro, ganun. And then yung Samsung phone.
What was that? GoPro 1 pa yun? Or
No,
4,
it's a
3?
Hero 3, I think.
Hero 3.
3.
Parang ganun. Yung silver, I forgot na kung anong model.
So way back pa talaga.
Way back pa talaga.
Kahit
yeah.
phone pa lang,
Mahilig ka na sa
Mahilig na.
mahilig ka na
Yeah.
mag-take ng picture.
Yeah. And then, nung nag-GoPro ko, I remember, there's a year na na-feature ng GoPro Philippines Instagram yung photo ko. And then from there, nakuha ako na parang following sa mga, sa GoPro community. And then whilst nasa Saudi naman ako, meron akong pinost na photo of a landmark doon. Yung para siyang big hole na they believe na yung meteor hit the area during the nung mga Ice Age siguro or something, I'm not sure. And then yun, feature naman siya na isang parang travel blog sa kanilang Instagram and sa kanilang blog post sa Riyadh, sa Saudi. So na-feature din yung photo ko noon. So yeah, so parang doon parang mas lalo pang na-ignite yung parang passion ko for photography, for travel photography actually.
I started with travel photography.
And then I did street photography. And then ayun, paglipat ko ng UK, I did still travel photography, and then during COVID, kasi alam mo yun, wala tayong ginagawa during the lockdown. So I did portraits na doon. Doon ako nag-start.
Sa loob ng bahay.
Same year din kami dumating.
Yes, 2018.
19 pala.
Oh, so hindi. So hindi
I mean
pala.
yung nag-start yung photography natin,
yeah.
diba? 19. Okay.
Yeah, 2019. Yeah. So I remember I bought my first 2019 parang December ata yung parang ganun. I bought my first camera, which is the Sony A6000
Okay.
with the kit lens. And then nagpractice ako with my housemate, sa friend ko si MJ, yung first model ko.
Shout out
Shout out
MJ. Siya ginawa mo model.
Yeah, siya yung model. Pinagpa-practicean ko lang yun noon sa Central London, gano'n.
Oh.
And then yun. And then after that, nung COVID, nag-upgrade na ako to like A7 III. And then I bought my first lens na portrait, which is the Samyang 1.4 85mm.
Okay.
Nagamit mo ba yan?
Nagamit ko rin yun.
It's like a budget.
A7 III rin ako.
And then it's like a
First
budget
camera.
lens for like beginners. Like mura lang siya, hindi siya kasi mahal ng mga ngayon. So yun.
So, may tanong ka?
Yeah, tanong ko lang, nung ano ka pa, nasa Saudi, talagang pure, wala pang clients noon,
No,
wala pa.
Wala lang.
GoPro
Travel
lang.
ganun.
Travel.
GoPro, Samsung phone, ganun pang.
Kailan ka nag-start mag-client?
After I got my ILR, doon ako talagang tumanggap. Yeah.
And that was 20...
Last
Three.
year. 23.
So bago lang.
Pero before that, before pa ako nag-ILR, from 2020 to 2023, I've done like loads of free shoots sa mga friends ko,
Yes.
mga maternity
Yeah.
shoots.
Starts with
Doon
free shoot.
nag-start.
Doon talaga nag-start, no?
Kasi
Nag-start.
I think for me sa photography, it has to start sa passion muna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, kapag may passion ka na doon, you need to like, for me practice talaga. Kasi kapag hindi ka lumabas doon, hindi mo ginamit yung camera mo, hindi mo in-explore yung settings ng camera mo, wala mangyayari. Yeah. So more like practice and also like YouTube. Yeah.
So ngayon, ano ka na, like, full-time photographer?
Yes. Alam mo, mabang story. Kung may time kayo.
Ay,
Oo
we're
naman.
willing to,
Yeah, but,
So 2023, when I got my ILR, I left the NHS completely. So I've joined agency.
Yeah.
And did endoscopy.
nag-agency nurse ka.
And then pinagsabay ko sila with the photography.
Yeah.
And then, meron na mga paid works doon, ganun. And then, pagkakuha ko ng citizenship ko last year, that's where I decided na, why not focus on photography na muna.
Grabe.
So since January this year, it's been like 6 months na,
Yeah.
na nag-full-time photographer
Full-time
na ako.
As in.
Yeah, pero may pin pa ako. So, siguro, kapag na-miss ka mag-nursing, and then if I also wanna keep my pin
Kasi dapat you have to work every
so
something.
maybe kapag mga slow season natin like
Yes.
winter siguro I can do some
But you're
shoots.
not doing bank shifts anymore na?
Wala since January.
Since January.
Wala.
How so the decision process ba na mag full-time ka? Kasi for me, it's a very brave decision
Yeah.
na to stop nursing
Yeah.
completely niya. Go to somewhere na you love, ganun. How was the decision making?
It's difficult, like mahirap siya.
Did
Like,
you ask advice from your
wala,
family or
wala. As in ako kasi ako kapag ako nag-decide, I do it by myself. Pinag-iisipan ko siya and then kapag alam kong okay, this is it, I'll do it. Parang ganun. Walang may alam. And then kapag nakapag-decide na ako, dun pa lang nila malalaman. Dun ko pa lang sabihin, parang ganun. Pero it was difficult kasi leaving your nursing and then
Yung comfort zone mo.
And then like a stable job as a nurse, 'di ba? Mahirap siya. Kasi photography kasi minsan especially when you're starting, minsan wala ka pang clients,
And
diba?
seasonal din.
Seasonal siya, ganun. So swerte mo na lang kapag sunod-sunod yung work mo, ganun. So mahirap siya like financially at first, yun yung pinag-isipan ko muna.
Yeah.
Like, kaya ko bang ma-maintain yung money parang
lalo na
ganun.
dito na sa UK tayo,
I
diba?
know, like
very
with the rent and
expensive.
everything.
Yeah.
And then what else? Emotionally, mahirap siya talaga.
Financially, emotionally.
Lahat. Siguro lahat. Lahat ng shali.
Yeah.
Just, ali pa. Pero mahirap siya. Pero, I think for me, kasi, once you have a passion talaga, kahit ano pa yan, you would
If you're doing it for your passion talaga,
gagawin mo talaga.
yung pera kasi susunod na lang yan.
Yeah. And then, luckily naman, like at the moment, okay naman siya. So, parang feeling ko, I made the right decision naman. So, yeah.
Speaking of that decision, RV, anong napa-decide sa'yo na, gusto ko na mag full-time? Like, what's the reason? Curious lang ako kasi baka...
I feel like na burnout ako as a nurse.
Okay.
Yeah. And then parang, kasi since COVID, like during COVID, like doon ko na-realize na parang mahirap ang nursing. Di ba? We were all like drained during COVID. Parang, also during COVID, nag-struggle ako kahit paano. And then I think during that time, parang photography yung parang nag-save sa akin. Like, lumalabas ako, nag-shoot ako, nagpa-practice ako, ganun. So, meron ako outlet.
Yeah.
And then, parang...
Kasi grabe yung mental health that time.
Grabe
diba?
talaga. So, parang COVID yung parang switch sa akin na why not mag-focus ka sa photography, parang ganun. Like, do it, parang ganun. Yun yung parang voice na nagsabi sa akin ng COVID. And then, yeah. So,
Pero bro, believe ako doon kay RV. Kasi, di ba, you learn photography na ikaw lang.
Yeah.
Parang trial and error, ikaw lang, wala kang mentor.
Wala, yeah.
Sumugod ka sa isang event or wedding na talagang, So parang,
I think parang sa person, parang nakikita ko si RV parang risk taker, kanang brave. Ganun ka ba talaga?
Ganun ako, like risk taker ako talaga.
As a photographer kasi, discover mo, ikaw mismo makaka-discover kung anong mismo yung skills
gusto mo, or what
gusto
type
mo,
of photography,
what type of niche mo,
yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
Siguro ako, thankful lang ako na sa photography career ko, napasama ako sa iba-ibang photographers. Especially sa Dreamlux. Shoutout ko din si Jordan. Jordan of Dreamlux Studios.
Mentor. Your mentor.
Yeah. Naging mentor ko siya sa photography.
Ako din.
So, yeah. So, mas napabilis parang nag-shortcut. Kasi may taong nag-supervise sa'yo. Nakita ko nung mali mo, di ba? And si RV, ikaw bro, ikaw lang ba mag-isa noon?
Ako, like, as in like practice lang sa portraits, ganyan. Then nag-YouTube lang ako. Doon ko na-learn yung mga settings ng camera. Kung ano bang lens yung pang portraits, yung mga ganun. So, as in YouTube lang. And then yung sabi ko nga, you need practice. You need to go out there to do it. Kasi yun yung talagang importante. And I think nung nagsa-start ako, doon ako nag-struggle. Like, I think naghahanap ako na parang Filipino group before ng photographers. Wala akong mahanap. Kaya siguro nagsolo din ako. Kaya ngayon, I have this like a passion project at the moment na parang a portrait workshop for Filipino newbie photographers. Like to teach them how to like, alam mo yun, to photograph. Para lang meron ding tulong sa community.
Giving back to the community.
That's good. May second shooter ka na. Nalayo ka pa ba?
Ako gusto mo third shooter. Pwede.
hindi ka pang second shooter. Ano ba kayo?
Hindi, bro. So, yan. So, in terms naman, bro, sa yung sabi ni Sid kanina, yung transition. Kasi ako ngayon, I'm working as a nurse, full-time nurse. Photography is my, talagang, lahat ng day off ko, lahat may event yan.
Mahirap,
so parang din ako nag-day off.
Yeah.
Nagalit na yung asawa ko. So, pinag-iisipan ko, siguro the most, magpa-part-time muna ako as a nurse. Ayaw kong biglain. Tapos yun, pa konti-konti.
Yeah.
Kaya, very brave talaga yung, nag-part-time ka ba before muna? Or
Agency nursing.
Agency.
Pero how was like, full, anong schedule mo? Like in a month?
4 days a week. Para akong full-time.
Okay. Parang full-time.
Parang full-time din ako.
But at least controlled mo kung flexible ka sa dates.
And then kuya, kapag meron akong shoot, na meron akong agency work, pwede ko na i-cancel yung agency work ko. Kasi marami din naman may need ng shift. So, yun,
the good thing about agency is, mamanage mo talaga yung time mo.
Yeah,
yung gusto mo lang mag-work na day, doon ka talaga. Kasi,
very flexible.
Maraming
I
schedule.
Maybe pwede mong gawin yun. Or like part-time, like set days.
Next week, mag-resign na ako.
Pwede. Uy, wag naman agad.
Pero, I don't know if it matters, no, the people around you. How did they react to your decision na?
My family and friends are very supportive. Like,
that's good if you've got
kasi they knew that this is my passion. So parang pati mom and sister ko sa Philippines, mga aunts ko and uncles, they were like, oh yeah, go for it. Alam mo, parang they're very supportive. And also yung friends ko dito, especially yung mga core friends ko, like talagang sila yung nag-push sa akin, why not do it? So yun.
And look at you now,
yes.
Diba? Very successful.
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi mo ba masana? Parang ano pa yun?
Yeah. Kumbaga, as a photographer, na-reach mo na, bro, yung pinapangarap ng isang photographer.
Na mag-full-time.
Especially here sa UK.
Yeah.
Kasi ang daming photographer talaga dito.
Yeah, ang dami. Especially Filipino.
Ang nurse, pagdating dito, nagka-afford na ng camera.
Yes.
Photographer na sila, di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, you can say that kasi that you're a photographer kapag may camera ka tapos marunong ka ng settings ng camera.
Yeah.
For me, you can say that you're a photographer.
Yes.
But you're not like a professional photographer na kumukuha ka ng mga events. Pero ang dami na talagang nagsulputan ngayon na photographer. So, as a new photographer here, parang titingala, 'di ba? Yung isang RV Tong, 'di ba?
Hindi pa naman ako yung
siguro you don't feel that, pero sa amin, lalo na ako, bro, na ka-start ko lang, parang, padagay ko RV Tong. Kasi, RV Tong, parang, masabi mo na medyo successful ka na photographer. Pag picture pa lang, kahit walang signature yan,
alam mo na.
Alam mo kung kaninong kaninong shot yan. Ganon si RV. Ganon yung to RV Tong to. Color grading and all.
I think dun yung parang doon mo madi-differentiate yung mga photographers with their style.
Yeah.
So yung nga sinasabi ko sa mga clients minsan, like book a photographer dahil sa style nila. I know yung price is very important kasi medyo mahirap ang buhay ngayon. Pero I think yung sinasabi ko, like if you really want the photographer style, book them.
Yeah.
Tama.
Kahit na hindi ako, kahit na si EJ. Kung gusto yung style ni EJ, go for it. Alam mo yun, yung mga ganun. Kasi
Speaking of price,
okay
ba talaga yung kitaan sa photography?
Well, if I compare yung kinikita ko ng NHS, when I was regular in the NHS, mas okay yung kita ng photography.
Ay, bro.
Pero pero if I compare yung price, yung kinikita ko when I was doing agency sa photography, iba pa rin ang agency. Before, yung price namin before. Kasi I think ngayon medyo nagbaba na ng price ng agency. So, yeah. But
pero yung effort na, di ba syempre sa photography, gising siguro ng maaga, travel
Yes.
ka,
Yeah.
you have to edit. Ano yung
I think the difference is kapag when you're a nurse, you work your shift, after that tapos ka na, di ba? But as a photographer, parang ang hindi nakikita ng tao, like when they book an hour shoot sa'yo, tingin nila yun lang
Yung 1 hour lang yun.
Yun lang yun. Hindi. Like after ng shoot ng 1 hour,
Exactly.
you do editing.
Tama.
Minsan yung isang shoot ko ng 1 hour, I edit for more than 5 hours.
Yeah.
Minsan kapag mahirap pa, like 10 hours.
oh my God.
Yun
Pag uwi
yung
mo sa bahay niyan, akala mo nag-rest na. Hindi.
No.
Transfer ka ng
Transfer
files.
files, yes.
Check
Backup
mo
mo lagi.
Backup mo lagi.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yung mga ganun. And then, aside from shooting and also editing, meron ka pang marketing.
Marketing yan.
Meron ka pang admin work. You have to answer inquiries, send contracts, invoices. So, yun yung...
Ikaw ba yun lahat sa'yo?
Yeah. So, yun yung...
One ka, one
I
man.
think yun yung hindi ko napaghandaan nung nag-full-time ako nung January. Yes, na-enjoy ko mag-shoot and mag-edit. Pero yung hindi ko na-enjoy is yung admin work, which is mahirap. Yeah, mag-answer ko ng inquiries, send ng contracts, mga ganun. Yun yung mahirap, di ba?
Mahirap.
Yeah.
Oh, sa tingin ko mataas talaga yung kitaan bro sa photography.
Yeah.
Pero compare mo as a agency nurse, mataas din.
Mataas
Pero
din,
what is
yeah.
important is that's your passion.
That's
kasi.
your
Kung anong
passion,
gusto mo.
yeah.
Kasi,
Oo.
tama ka.
Yeah.
You're earning from
Yeah.
your passion. Yun
Yeah.
talagang pinaka-importante. Uwi ka ng masaya di ba?
Yeah.
Ah,
Like kapag nurse ka before, like when I remember kapag papasok ko, parang duty na naman.
Oo, parang
ganun.
you're forced to go
Yeah.
to the hospital.
Before.
You're
Pero ngayon,
dragging.
like kapag may shoot ako, may shoot ako tomorrow.
Oh, looking
Alam mo,
forward.
parang you're excited to do it. Parang ganun.
Kahit paulit-ulit ka na lang sa Westminster.
I know.
Actually, yun kasi yung office namin
Kasi
nagsasalubong.
lahat ng photographer
I know.
doon sa Westminster.
Kasi yun yung landmark ng London. Like,
London.
everyone wants to have a photo of the Big Ben, Parliament, tsaka yung London Eye. Sa Westminster lang yun. So.
Siguro kung wala kang client no, tayo ka lang din sinong
Tama.
Yeah, kung pwede nga lang magpatayo ng tent doon or
Pwede lang.
kung mura lang yung bahay doon,
Kaya
bibili ka
nga.
doon. Diba?
Oo.
Pero yeah.
Pero bro, kasi nag-start ka rin 2019, di ba?
Yes. Yeah.
Pareho tayo, 2019. So, nung mga time na yon, pag may mga client, libre lang lahat, di ba?
Yes.
Pareho tayo, libre lang. Kasi,
Yes.
wala
Yes.
pa tayong name.
No, yeah.
Nahiya pa
Naiya pa kami. Oo.
And then you're building your portfolio.
You're building
Yeah.
your portfolio. Anong, may mga, ka ba? Parang most unforgettable experience mo nung nag-start ka pa lang?
Actually, so far, wala pa akong worst photography experience. For me,
Okay.
Ikaw ba meron na?
Ikaw.
Marami.
Marami
Like
na
what?
ba?
May meron akong mga experience sa shoot na nagkakamali ako. Pero yung before...
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Meron,
natural
mga
yun.
ganun.
Pero yung before, nung nag-start pala ako actually, last year lang ako nag-start talaga na
Yeah.
mag-clientele. Pero before, may mga na-encounter ka na clients na parang super sagad naman na parang photography lang yan eh. Parang, di ba? Parang, ilibre mo na lang.
100
Gets ko, gets
Oh,
ko.
parang mga ganun na,
For me, I think, humingi ng discount.
Nagbibigay kang discount.
Well, this is what I learned. Like, before, I used to give discounts.
Oo.
Pero meron akong fina-follow na photographer on TikTok na parang sabi nila, like, you need to also respect your work. Alam mo yun. Sabi nila, like, wag mong binababa yung prices mo masyado. Kasi, sabi nila, binababa mo din yung worth ng work mo. So, sabi nila is, stick to your price and then you will get the right clients.
Yeah.
So,
Because
correct,
you will know the quality of your work
Yeah.
kasi.
Yeah.
So pag feel mo na nakaka-provide ka na ng quality
Yeah.
photos, you need to stick with your
Yeah.
price.
When I was starting, I was giving discounts. And then, yun nga, parang lugi ka kasi 1 hour shoot, bibigyan, parang, tapos may discount, yung travel mo, and then
edit
time of
pa.
editing. So, yun yung mga isipin
Eye
mo.
constraint sa editing.
Pero, hindi ko rin, parang sasabihin na huwag kayo mabigay ng discount. If you're building your portfolio, if you're building your
Starting.
name, pwede kang magbigay ng discount. Pero wag mo lang abusuhin na sobra namang mababa. Kasi meron akong event na pinuntahan earlier this year. And then meron akong naka-work na parang photographer na Filipino din sa area niya. And then there's this parang clients daw siya na they're asking for like less than 100 pounds for an event.
Oo.
Sabi ko,
Meron din,
no.
50 pounds na lang.
Oh, sabi ko,
parang
no. Sabi ko,
tawad.
wag mo ibibigay. Alam mo yung parang, it's like 5-hour event. Tapos,
100
less than
Pwede, iPhone lang.
iPhone, pwede. Ganun, yeah. Pero yeah, so parang yun nga, sabi ko like, just know your worth as a photographer.
Pero RV, so you've tried portrait photography, street photography. Ano ba yung first mo? Travel photography.
Travel.
Ngayon, mga wedding.
Weddings, portraits.
So,
and then, meron akong mga konting events. So, yeah.
Anong pinakagusto mo dun?
For me, it's portraits.
Portraits.
Yeah, especially doing like couples portrait and solo portraits. Yun yung na-enjoy ko. Yung mga pre-wedding
engagement
shoots. Yeah. And then yung mga surprise engagement shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung mga ganun. Yung parang magpo-proposal shoot pala.
Maganda yun.
Yun.
Tapos mga registry wedding, mga...
Yung mga micro-wedding.
Micro-weddings.
Yeah, yung enjoy ko. Pero masaya din ang wedding. Like, every wedding is different. So, masaya din. Like, you get to learn new stuff and then you get to learn people. Ganun. So,
Nung sa mo bro, nag-start ka mag-photography. I know you're a Sony user.
Yeah.
Para tayo. So,
since the beginning.
Since the beginning
Kayo
talaga.
na naman.
So,
hindi
Sony
kasi hindi naman tayo Siege man to na mayroong Leica camera agad, di ba?
Leica, sana,
kasi hindi natin ma-afford yung
diba?
yung Leica. Kasi Leica po si Siege.
Opo,
siguro
like,
mga, hindi ko na sabihin yung price, pero baka malula sila, bro.
Leica agad.
Ba't siya yung guest? Ba't ako yung...
Leica agad yung camera niya.
Gusto ko lang malaman, bro, kasi as a photographer, kasi ako before, niregalo na ako ng wife ko na Canon.
Uy,
Canon user.
Ay, grabe si wife.
Grabe magregalo itong asawa ko talaga. So, yeah, anyway, I'm a Canon user before.
Oh, really?
Pero gusto ko rin naman yung Canon. Pero nung pagdating ko dito sa UK, syempre may konting pera ka na. Tinimbang ko talaga kung anong gagamitin ko. So, I choose Sony kasi. Gusto ko lang malaman kasi as a photographer, kasi maraming manonood ng photographer dito. Bakit Sony?
Alam mo, nakakatawa to. Hindi dahil fan ako ng Sony. I chose, so my first camera, 2019 that I bought is Sony A6000.
Yes.
With the pancake,
APS-C,
with the pancake lens. Kaya ko siya binili is because sa research ko, like Sony's got a lot of third-party lenses na mura.
Pwede lang.
So that's why Sony ang pinili ko. Hindi siya yung dahil fan ako ng Sony, dahil gusto ko ng Sony, ganun. Ikaw ba?
Ganun din. Same reason.
Yeah, kasi yun, when I bought the A6000, bumili ako ng lens which is the Sigma 16 at saka yung Samyang 85, which is hindi ganun kamahal kumpara sa mga lens na natin ngayon na nabibili. So, yeah, so I think budget was very important when I was starting. That's why I chose Sony.
Yeah.
Pero it turned out na Sony's got like quality yung photos, quality yung video.
Autofocus. We're not, di namin pinaplug yung Sony,
We're not paid by Sony.
Malay mo.
Okay naman.
Sony, baka naman.
Kahit naman Canon, Fuji, Sony.
Leica,
of course. Nasa pa rin yan. Tandaan nyo, nasa photographer pa rin.
Yes, correct.
And then, Sony, like, just recently, pumasok ako dun sa parang spring competition nila. So, I won like third prize dun.
Oh, congrats, bro. Congrats.
Yes, I used the...
future Sony ambassador na.
Hindi na ba?
Hindi pa.
Yes, I used the Sony A7 IV tsaka yung 85mm 1.4 ko na G-Master.
Ilan camera mo kayo ngayon?
I have two.
Ayan pala gusto ko yung malaman kung anong camera mo.
I have the A7 III and then the A7 IV. And then I have just tatlo lang lens ko. Ikaw ba ilan lens mo?
Tatlo rin.
Tatlo ba? So I have the...
Paras talaga kayo. Best friend kayo.
Best friend. Nakakuha na akong best friend, bro. Siguro mag-coffee tayo.
Baka bukas.
Hindi kasi iba naman yung Leica na. Magkano ba yung Leica naman?
Tanongin mo kung anong camera ko.
Baka ako ba host dito?
Tanongin mo anong camera ko.
Anong camera mo?
A7 III and A7 IV.
Pero
may bago lang kasi akong A7 R5.
Oh, mas mayaman to. Mas marami yung budget.
Madami yung lens nyo din eh.
Hindi mo ba alam? So mas marami yung sarami.
Tiyatago ko lang sa asawa ko. Ngayon ko lang na, di naman alam yung mga R5 na yan. Akala niya mga mura lang yan.
And also lenses. Kasi usually kapag nagpa-post ako ng story ko, marami nagtatanong like, what's your lens?
Ganun talaga, no? Pag
anong lens mo?
Anong camera mo? Anong lens mo?
Yeah.
Gusto ko malaman, bro, nung nag-start ka mag-client, ano yung camera mo? Anong lens mo?
A7 III and the Samyang 85mm.
Only one lens?
Yes. 85mm 1.4.
Lakasan ng loob din talaga,
yes.
No?
Kaya siguro ko nasanay na mag-shoot sa 85mm focal length. Kasi doon ako nag-start nung una. Yeah. Kaya ngayon, meron akong 50mm 1.4 na G-Master. 85mm 1.4 na G-Master. And I have the Sigma 24-70 2.8.
Ako talaga, ang favorite lens ko is 85 1.4.
Yes, that's my favorite. Yeah.
Lahat ng shoot ko 85 yan.
Yun yung talagang...
Ay, nandito pala si
Hello, bro. Ako din talaga.
Tingnan mo sa mga A7 ano ba yun?
Especially pag portraits, 85 is my go-to. Okay. Nag-50 lang ako recently, last year. Kasi, yung mga client work ko is nasa Westminster.
Para makuha yung view.
Hindi mo magagamit ang 85 mo doon. So, I use 50 to get everything.
Everything.
By the way, guys, yung 85 yun, yung ano niya, angle ni ano,
Yes.
Tama, di ba?
This is
85 to?
85.
Yeah.
0.4.
I mean,
1.4.
para sa knowledge lang ng mga viewers na I'm using a 85 1.4.
Sa amin. Para may ano naman
Okay,
yung
sige,
address.
sabihin ko.
Sa amin.
Sa amin is this is a 35 1.4 G Master.
Sa amin,
Wow.
tatlo.
This is an 24 to 70 2.8 G Master.
Oh, di ba?
Oh.
May na-learn kayo, guys.
Puro
G-Master.
G-Master si EJ. Ako nga, hindi ko afford lahat ng G-Master.
Baka
Hindi,
G-servant
grabe
ka lang.
Yeah, so I think, for me, pagdating sa portraits, for me, the best focal length is 85mm.
Hindi kasi itong G Master na 85 bro. Regalo rin ng asawa ko bro.
Grabe.
Ay,
Shout out po kasi Majel.
Shout out ko pala yung asawa ko, Majel Abarientos. Yeah.
Sana lahat niniregaluhan ng
Oo.
G-Master lens.
Hindi, yung mga konting drama lang yan. But anyway, balik tayo kay ano.
Yeah.
Hindi, eto. Madaming nurses dyan, like
Yeah.
me, mga gusto mag-photography ba?
Yeah.
Ano yung advice mo to start with? Anong camera yung ma-advise mo? Anong lens na ma-advise mo? At yun. Anong photography na ma-advise mo?
Okay, so when you're starting, I think for me, buy a budget camera and lens.
Like?
Sony.
Sony?
Sony na naman.
A6700?
Yeah, kasi ang Sony, madami siyang like third-party lens na pwede yung mabili
Ayan nga,
na mura. Pero, kasi
Explain mo muna ng third party, yung parang
third-party, like,
ibang brand sa
like-
Tamron.
like Tamron, Sigma,
Samyang.
Samyang. Meron pa isang Viltrox.
Viltrox.
yeah.
Viltrox. And then meron pa yung mga super
Marami.
cheap na talaga na
Oo.
lens. Pero, yun nga, kapag nagsimula kayo, do that one
Yes.
whilst practicing.
Yeah.
And ako kasi, nag-upgrade lang ako kasi I wanted to, parang ma-level up din yung photography. Kasi, when I was using the Samyang 85mm 1.4, sa mga client work ko nun, marami ako autofocus na shots. And then, that's why I decided to buy the Sony G-Master 85. And then, dun na, parang
G-Master.
halos lahat na ng shots ko, it's in focus.
Hindi ka bibiguin bro.
Hindi ka bibiguin.
Ano may difference?
Ang
ng
G-Master kasi, that's a native lens for Sony.
Yeah, that's the top of the line.
Sony talaga may gawa nun.
Yeah.
Hindi ka bibiguin nun.
Hindi ka. So, yun yung parang difference nun. So, yun. Pero, when you're starting, just buy cheap lens. Mag-practice kayo doon. Kasi yun yung kailangan sa photography. Just practice.
Anong
practice.
type of lens? 35? 20?
Well, it depends
50.
din.
Depends din. For me, an advice ko kasi dyan, zoom lens muna. 18
Yes.
to 55
Yes.
Sigma.
Hindi ba mas mahal yung zoom lens pag bilhin?
Mas mahal ang prime lens.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah. Kasi iba yung quality ng prime sa zoom
Sa bagay.
when you compare it. Pero ngayon, marami ng zoom lens na
Marami
maganda. So,
Depende kasi yan if they want to use it for travel.
yeah. So, ito, kapag gusto nyo ng travel photography, buy a 24mm or a
Yeah.
35mm.
Yes, yun ang sa akin. Kasi
Pwede din
travel
ng
ako.
50.
Pwede rin. Ang 50 kasi is all the way. Magamit
Yeah,
mong portrait, lahat.
They call it Nifty 50. So and then merong murang lens ng Sony na 50mm, yung 1.8.
Yeah.
For
Ano lang,
100
parang 200.
No,
Guys,
100.
180
Mura na yun,
pounds.
100.
180 pounds.
180.
Mura na yun.
Ginamit ko din yun.
Talaga. Mura
Sa,
na
sa
pala yun.
photographer, bro, mura na yan.
Yeah. Kasi the G-Master
Alam niyo na guys ha, kung yung ano yung
Actually,
papasukin nyo guys.
Puro Sony pinag-usapan natin.
guys. Pero actually, so, for, ano lang yan, sa mga nurses na mga hobbyist. Kasi
Yes.
ang daming nurses na
Yeah.
mga hobby nila ang photography.
Yeah.
So, may feel nyo yan eh. Ma-discover nyo yung passion nyo. Diba?
Tama.
If you're into photography talaga,
Yeah.
go for it. For me, go for it. Tapos yun, yung balik tayo dun sa mga bagong camera. You don't need naman bumili kayo ng mga high-end agad na
Yeah.
camera. APS-C, top of the line.
No.
Kasi kahit ano man, mag-start muna kayo sa mga, ano muna, murang camera.
Alam mo bro, yung pagbili ng camera ba, naisip ko sa dati, para siyang Harry Potter. Alam mo yung Harry Potter, yung bibili ka, kukuha ka ng wand.
Okay.
Bibili ka ng wand, para i-touch mo yung, ito ba para sa akin, ganun. Na-try mo na
Parang ganun. Kasi,
Hindi naman kasi tayo Siege Man. So, lang unang camera is Leica.
Hindi.
kung mga
kasi-
Siege man to ka,
Puro kasi kayo
first
Sony,
camera
para
like
Sony
Leica
kayo,
agad,
parang,
diba?
ano, Gryffindor ba kayo? Hindi, meron kasi diba mga Fujifilm.
Yes.
Diba?
I
Maganda
think,
din yung Fujifilm, diba?
Alam mo, pwede nila consider yan, like, the look of the photo. Kasi ang Fuji, there's a certain look sa
exactly.
Fuji.
Color grading.
Color
ng
grading
Fuji.
wise. So, yeah, they can do Fuji kasi dahil sa look nila. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, pero for me, start budget. Like,
Ano ba yung mga magandang brands? I know hindi siya sa brand pero may mga magandang brands talaga, 'di ba?
Canon, Fuji.
Canon,
Sony,
Fujifilm,
Sony.
Sony,
For me,
Sony.
For ano kasi, pag nag-start ka pa lang sa photography, ang nasa isip mo lang yan, Canon, Sony,
Canon, Fujifilm.
Fuji. Kasi yung
tatlo,
mga
no?
Leica medyo
Yeah.
ano pa.
Yeah.
So, yan ang tatlo lang. So, pipili ka dyan, beginner camera. Ano ba yung mga beginner na camera nila?
And also, hindi ko pa nasabi sa inyo, yung mobile photography.
Sa
Cellphone.
cellphone, iPhone-graphy.
Nag-mobile photography din ako. So, 2020, I remember, after post-COVID na yun, di ba? Yung parang December 2020.
Mm.
Second wave.
Yung ano yun, bro, nagkaroon ng window.
Yeah. Yeah, so nag-reach out
Yeah.
ang Samsung Mobile sa akin sa Instagram.
Oh.
So they said, kasi nun puro Samsung din yung gamit ko. So pinopost ko yun sa Instagram ko gano'n. And then parang napansin ng Samsung. So they've asked me if they can feature my story sa kanilang New Year's resolution. Tapos pinasend sa akin yung mga photos ko gamit yung Samsung.
Ano ba yun, bro? S3 ba? S3 nung time na yun eh.
S3.
S3.
No, Samsung S20.
S20.
S20 Plus.
Ultra something plus, S20 plus.
Plus, yung gamit ko nun. And then, yeah, so, and then meron silang sinana question, like, what's your, like, New Year's resolution for your photography? Parang ganun. So, parang sinabi ko doon na parang, in 2021, na parang gusto ko ganito, na mag-focus sa photography, ganyan, to level up ng photography. And then yun, so, pinost sila during the New Year's New Year's Day, I think, 2021, so. Yeah.
Right.
So yun, start like mobile photography.
Kasi sa mobile photography, you will learn the framing eh.
Yes.
Very important kasi yung framing. Hindi yung
Composition.
tabingi, yung
Rule of
Composition.
thirds, mga ganon. Dapat ganon yung pag-aral, hindi puro selfie lang.
Pero alam mo ba, for me, yes, there are like rules in photography. Pero it's also nice to break the rules.
Exactly.
Nice.
Diba? Puro ka rule of
puro
thirds.
rule of thirds, mga
Pero-
ganon. Hindi.
Yun lang kasi ako, di ko alam yung rules, so puro ko break.
Yeah, so, yeah, that's okay.
Ang alam
din
ko
yun.
talaga, rule of thirds lang yun.
As long as you know as long as you know the exposure triangle.
Yes.
Paano ko yung break ng rule of thirds? Maybe rule of
5.
Rule of 5, yeah.
Yeah, so,
maganda.
yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, so, okay na you know the rules of photography, pero okay din na you break it sometimes.
Yeah. As long as you know, bro, the exposure triangle, yung ISO,
Shutter
shutter speed, and okay na yan.
Oo. So yun, RV, ano yung, may nakikita ka bang surprising connections between nursing and photography?
Parang yan ang pinakamahirap na tanong yun for today's
Sa career mo.
video. I think meron.
Ano?
Yeah, yes. Kasi as a nurse, like you have to like you deal with different kinds of people, and then there's like a human connection, like to gain their trust,
Establish rapport,
mga ganun, and then like making your patients feel that they're cared for, parang ganun. I think same sa photography. Like first is like you need to gain trust from your clients, and then especially rapport. Like during the shoot, like make sure na your clients enjoy the shoot.
Yes.
Yeah, wag yung parang wag yung boring na shoot, wag yung parang
Wag din ikaw na yung bida.
parang ganon. So yeah, so rapport is very important. And also like yung human connection, like how you deal with them. Like, you know, like how you make them comfortable during the shoot, parang ganon.
What kind of photographer ka pala? Yung demanding ka na, ito yung gawin mo, ganun. Or would you,
No.
do you direct?
I do, pero ang shoot ko lagi is like all fun.
It's like you're
shoot.
nagbe-blend ka lang sa event.
Yes, I always make sure na kapag meron akong like portrait shoots na tawa lang. And then like I think at the end of like the shoot, nagme-message yung clients ko like, Sir RV, we enjoy the shoots, parang tawa-tawa lang ganun. Yun lang ako, like chill lang siya.
Chill lang.
And then ako kasi pinapakiramdaman ko yung mga clients ko first kapag sa shoot, like if they're very shy, hindi ko sila papagawa ng very awkward na pose. And minsan tatanungin mo sila like, what do you want? Do you want fun? Do you want romantic? Do you want parang simple lang? And then kapag medyo na-gain na nila yung parang momentum, kahit na shy sila, pwede ka na mag-introduce ng mga poses na medyo awkward siguro.
You need to gain their trust.
Yes, trust muna. Like, and then...
Do you research your clients?
Of course.
Or do you meet them before the shoot?
No, just messages.
Just
like
messages.
Instagram. Pero kapag wedding naman, like I do like pre-wedding consultation via video call. So I meet them via video call. Pero yung mga portrait shoots, sa kwan lang yan, sa messages.
Message lang.
Instagram, Facebook, or sa website. Parang ganun. Yeah.
But normally sometimes, tine-check ko naman yung itsura nila.
Ay, talaga
Sa Facebook?
Sa Facebook, Instagram.
Stalker?
Para malaman ko.
Stalker ka pala, bro.
Hindi, kasi
Ako,
pag
minsan siguro,
nag-commit na sila sa akin.
Yeah.
I want to know kasi yung mga angle na gusto nila,
Yeah.
'di ba? Makita mo
kasi sa
Instagram nila yung favorite
Ako
angle
din,
nila.
ako din, kapag-
At least you have an idea ba?
Yeah, nag-search din ako actually.
Right.
And also before the show, I always ask them, especially yung females, kapag nagsa-selfie sila,
Saan
saan
side?
yung side
Tama.
Then doon ako magbe-base.
Really?
Kasi it's best to ask them rather than nag-shoot ka na and then kapag post-process na, binigay mo na yung photo,
Mostly.
hindi pala nila
Mostly
side
other
yun.
side
Ayaw
pala.
nila yun.
Ayaw nila
So,
yun.
it's best to ask
Right.
beforehand.
Ayaw nila, pero dahil sinabi mo, gagawin nila doon,
Yeah.
diba?
Yeah. So yeah, it's best to ask. Yeah.
Quick question. Do you use flash sa shoot mo?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
So depende yan. Like, kasi ako more on natural light ako. So I play with the light, sun or overcast or minsan kahit umuulan pa. Pero recently, kasi may mga shoots akong ginagawa na especially sa Westminster.
Oh.
And kaya ka binook sa Westminster is to get the background.
Yes.
Diba? And sometimes binubuk ka ng 12 noon or 1 p.m.
Case-to-case basis.
kasagsagan ng araw, which is ang daming shadow.
Sunog yung...
Sunog yung ganun. So, you need to introduce flash
Flash.
just to balance everything. So, minsan, nagpa-flash ako. Pero, 90% of the time, natural light
No,
ako.
nakita ko nga yung mga...
Ikaw nag-flash ka?
Ganun din, kay RB.
Yeah.
Kasi mostly pag alam kong nakabook ako ng 12 noon,
Yeah.
tapos nakita ko yung weather,
Yeah.
I always bring my
Yeah.
flash with me. Pero kung hindi naman, makita ko na gloomy, natural light.
Natural light, yeah. Especially pag gloomy weather is my favorite one. Like overcast. Kasi masyadong...
Kaya nga minsan umuulan, okay din eh. Reflections,
yeah,
di
umuulan,
ba?
pwede rin. Huwag lang yung sobrang
So,
araw.
di ako naniniwala na ay, hindi ko nakunan kasi ganito umulan or
Yeah.
kahit anong situation yan.
You have to be ready.
As lalabas yung creative side mo
Yeah.
eh.
Yeah,
Oh.
exactly.
As long as you know your camera.
Yes.
Para kasing katawan mo na yung
Yeah.
camera, parang memorize mo na kung anong dapat
And
gawin.
also based on experience. Like for
Yeah.
example, kaya ako nag-flash kasi I did the shoot na sobrang taas ng araw, wala akong flash. And then post-processing, nag-struggle ako to edit.
Kasi
and
ano
then,
siya?
And then
Super
nag-search
exposed.
ako like how do I balance the light? And then sabi use flash kapag ganun yung time, ganun yung araw. So yun, so parang trial and error. So based on experience ko, kaya ako gumagamit ng
Yeah.
flash.
You will learn
ngayon.
from your mistakes
Yes,
talaga.
tama.
Kasi
You learn
yun
from
ang
your
number
mistakes.
one
That's very
dyan.
important.
Kasi hanggang di mo pa siya natatry,
Yeah.
di mo siya ma-figure out.
Yeah.
So may mga bro, na trick yung araw. Pagtingin mo sa screen ng camera, okay. Pero once
Pero pag
nag-post-process
nasa-
ka na,
Yes.
ano ba to? Grabe.
Sabog yung highlight.
Tama ba
Oo,
pag may flash,
sabog.
dapat sa likod yung araw? Hindi.
Yeah. Kapag nasa likod yung araw talaga, I use flash.
Di ba
to
pag
balance.
sasabi na anong sinasabi pag nag-officer against the light?
Against
Diba?
the light, oh.
Pag against the light, madilim
Ah,
yung
so,
subject.
dun papasok
So,
yung
ang tendency,
flash.
kailangan mo yung flash.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Para
then-
yung subject niya, may liwanag siya.
Yeah.
Dahil,
I always like make sure that the subject is exposed enough rather than the background. Parang
okay.
Mm.
Ako yun na.
Sabi mo nga, we learn from our mistakes, di ba?
Yes,
At madami tayong na-learn kay RV ngayon.
Yes.
Pero mas madami pa tayong ma-learn pag nag-demo siya. So,
Ano
ask natin si
Sige nga
RV.
bro. Actually, pareho kami
Pwede
ng
siya
camera ni
mag-demo.
RV.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero gusto kong makita si RV.
Yes.
Siyempre, pakita natin, may mga nanonood tayo dito ng mga
Okay.
Paano siya
beginner
maka-
photographer. Oo.
Alright.
So, dala mo ba yung camera?
Yeah,
Anong
so-
gear mo dalang?
Yeah, so meron akong shoot later. It's a golden hour shoot sa Westminster. It's a pre-wedding shoot. So, I brought
busy pala to.
usually, hindi lang ito yung dinadala ko. Kasi syempre, kasi ngayon, it's like golden hours. I don't need flash.
Right.
I don't need any extra ones. So, ang dinala ko lang is my very minimal gear. So, this is my bag, which is Peak Design. Meron ko ba?
Yes.
Baka meron ka.
Ibang brand.
Okay, so Peak Design.
Wala
So,
akong ganyan.
Yeah.
so
Baka
dala
naman.
so isang camera body lang dala ko at saka isang lens.
Oh.
Yeah. So so I'm using the A7 IV, which is Sony, and then the 50mm 1.4G Master, Sony din.
Sony din.
And then I have another one which is this is my favorite portrait lens. So it's the 85mm 1.4G.
Yan ang gamit
Bro,
natin
that's my
ngayon.
favorite also.
Yeah.
And
Yung nakatutok sa kanya ngayon
Yeah.
mismo,
So for
that's
me, like,
85 1.4.
favorite din yung price, no?
Yeah, so for me, if you're looking for a portrait lens,
The best.
85, yeah.
Mm.
Pero you can also do 50mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero, it's
yeah.
different talaga yung pagkuha ng 85.
Yeah,
Iba.
iba talaga.
Iba talaga.
Pero both 1.4, di ba?
Yeah.
Both.
Yeah.
Pero bro, kahit both siya, yung 85 kasi may distance na siya, tapos 1.4.
Yeah.
Bokeh talaga yung likod
Sige,
niya.
sige. Gusto ko na makita si ano, si...
Yes, ito lang yung dala ko ngayon. Pero usually naka-backpack ako with another camera, which is the A7 III.
Yeah.
And then a flash. And then yun. Kasi ngayon medyo may back pain ako.
Oh.
So medyo hindi ako
Yeah.
pwede mag-carry ng mabigat. So ito lang yung dala ko.
May question ako about bringing two cameras. Bakit dalawang cameras? Para hindi na mag-change ng lens? Or?
No, it's for safety purposes.
Yeah.
Like, for example, hindi nag-work
okay.
yung camera mo na isa. At least you have a backup one. Especially sa weddings.
Yeah.
You
For me,
need-
there's two reasons for that. Siyempre, una is safety.
Yeah.
Kasi normally, nung nag-shoot ako ng debut last time, dalawa yung camera ko, pero isa lang nilabas ko.
Yeah.
So, pag pumalpak siya, at least may backup
May
ka.
backup ka.
Correct.
Pero you can use it both. Ilagyan mo ng isa yung zoom
Ay, yung
lens.
ganun
ganun
siya.
siya.
Oo.
Nakita ko.
Yung isa
Kapag
zoom
weddings,
lens,
dalawa.
yung isa prime lens.
Perfect. Oh, yeah.
The purpose of that is yung zoom lens, kapag di ba sa event may mga table, picture mo, pwede pa picture.
Yeah.
So group photo, you can use
Wide.
yung zoom lens.
Yeah.
Pag gusto mo naman yung mga candid shots na may mga umiiyak, ganun, mga
This one.
nagtatawanan, portrait mo.
85.
So dalawa yung
Yeah.
kabit.
Okay.
Ano
Now
bang
we
gamit
know.
mong lens?
Fixed lens kasi yung
Fixed,
Leica.
like, iba,
35.
35 siya but feels like 24.
Ah, talaga.
iba kasi pag Leica, bro.
Iba talaga
Isang
Leica.
shot mo lang, parang na-edit na.
Oo, yun na yun, di ba?
Tapos each month to pa yun nagsa.
Oo.
Pero sabi nyo kasi kailangan ng dalawang camera so
No.
Char
when
lang.
for
Char
me,
lang.
like, when you're doing a paid job, sabi nga ni EJ, like, you definitely need two cameras. Kasi kapag hindi nag-working sa atis, may backup
Pag
ka.
page job, bro.
Paid
Talagang
job,
bayad.
yeah. Pero
to be honest parang ako I don't see myself doing paid jobs. I'm not closing my doors pero I think I don't.
ganyan din yung sinabi ko
Takot
before.
kasi ako eh.
Ganyan
Totoo
din
ba?
sinabi ko before, like, this is just a hobby.
Ako din.
Parang
Pero-
nakatakot kasi
You need
yung
to take
responsibility
risk.
na
Yeah.
hala, ikaw magkukuha ng mga magandang moments sa kasal tapos paano pag hindi nila gustuhan parang ganun.
It takes courage. Like, lakas ng
Courage.
loob lang
Ayan
talaga.
nga.
Like,
Pero
kailangan mo
honestly,
simulan.
nung nag-start talaga yan, grabe yung
Yeah.
Kasi, no?
Like,
Talaga.
first paid job mo, lagi may kaba. Kasi what if hindi mo na-satisfy yung client? Like, hindi mo nakuha yung gusto nila. Mga
tama.
O sige na, mag-demo ka.
Okay,
Ano
sige.
sige. mo ko?
Sige, like how tell our audience yung mga
Gusto mo-
yung triangle.
Gusto mo how
Very
to
quick
put the
lang.
battery muna.
Yung very quick lang yung ano.
Yung exposure triangle.
Ano yung ginaganon ng
yeah,
ano,
sige.
mga
Konting
photographer.
discussion lang about
Para alam
exposure
nila,
triangle.
oh.
for
Well,
RV.
guys, disclaimer, hindi ako nag-aral ng photography sa university.
Hindi pa yung
this
nag-aral,
This is based on my YouTube university
Yeah.
and based on experience. Yeah. So, ilagay ko muna yung
At least ikaw yung proof na kahit sa YouTube ka lang,
Yeah.
Tama.
magkakaroon ka ng isang RV tong
Kasi lahat nasa YouTube eh.
Siege man to photography.
And also, bring extra batteries and extra memory cards.
Yes.
Wag lang yung isa.
Pwede ba yung dalawang memory card?
Yeah.
No.
Do you use ano rin, bro? Third-party batteries or
No.
talagang OG?
Bakit pala?
OG na.
Nakasira?
Maraming... sige.
I think meron akong bad experience during a wedding. Like, bigla siyang namatay.
Ouch.
Kahit na
Tama.
fully charged siya.
Ouch.
Yeah, so you need to invest talaga. Kaya mahal ang photography
Mahal.
kasi mahal ang gear.
It's an
Magkano
expensive
battery?
hobby.
Isang battery niyan?
65.
65.
Sa like 175 yung isa.
Oh, iba talaga like.
Hindi, sabi ko, baka mag-Sony na lang ako, eh.
Talagang
Iba
like...
talaga.
Balilipad lang akong Sony.
Ilan ba battery mo?
Dalawa.
Oh,
Bumili
pwede
ka
na
extra.
yun.
Oo.
Pwede na
Kasi
yan.
nabin akong Jordan.
Pwede na yun.
Ikaw bro, ilan ang OG mo?
I have 5.
Five.
Five.
Okay.
Yeah, 5. I have 5.
Sige.
And then meron pa ako yung 4 na third party pero hindi ko na siya ginagamit.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a question for RV.
Yeah.
Bro, anong advice mo sa mga nurses natin ngayon na nababurn out na sa job nila or they have a dream to be a photographer or any passion na gusto nila?
Mahirap din na talaga.
Number 2.
Well, let's start sa burnout. Like, well, I think yung burnout, kanya-kanya tayo ng pinagdadaanan, di ba? Like, we have different experiences in life. So, pero if you feel burned out, you're not alone. Kasi napagdaanan ka din yan. For sure napagdaanan nyo din.
Yes.
As a nurse, like, mababurnout ka talaga. For me, just know kung hanggang kailan lang kayo na pwedeng ma-burnout. Kasi it has to stop. You need to prioritize yourself.
Hindi pwedeng ipagpatuloy
No.
na.
So kung burnout kayo sa workplace nyo, one choice is yung ginawa ko, I left A&E, Joint Theater Recovery. Kasi burnout ako sa A&E.
Yeah.
And then, yun, pwede kayo lumipat ng areas, ganun. And then also like take a break, like go on holiday and vacation. And then, like kung meron naman kayong passion, like photography, or kahit na ano yan, simulan nyo siya. Like, walang mangyayari kung lagi nyo siyang pinagpapabukas.
Like, I want photography, tapos hindi ka wala kang
Hindi
camera.
wala kang ginagawa.
Or wala kang camera. Oh.
Yeah. Well, it's also an investment. You need money for photography. Like, you need money. Kaya nga sabi ko, like, start with the budget gears muna to practice. Yun. And then, lakas ng loob. You have to have the courage to pursue the things that you love, like photography. Kasi kung wala yun, walang mangyayari.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you need to be prepared, like, financially, emotionally,
Yeah.
physically, lahat.
Okay, next question, bro.
Galing.
Isa pa. May follow-up question ako doon.
Yeah.
Looking back on your photography career, do you think you made the right decision?
100%.
100%. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what does success mean to you?
For me, like, success is not about titles or financial. Pero for some people, for sure, that's for them. Pero sa akin, like waking up in the morning, na you enjoy what you do,
Yeah.
and then you're happy with what you're doing.
Yeah.
And yun lang.
Tama. You can say that you're successful.
And guys, like, life is short. Like,
So,
gawin mo kung anong
Ay, yun yung
magpapasaya sa'yo.
mantra
That's my
namin.
mantra.
Yeah, life
Our
is
mantra.
short.
Salim mo, okay? Salim mo.
Yeah.
Salim mo kasi yun.
Yeah, life,
Our mantra.
YOLO, you only live
Yeah.
once.
yeah, life is short. Like,
Kailan
gawin mo.
ka mag-photography pag masakit na yung mga...
I know.
Di ba?
I know. Yeah.
Tama.
Life is short. Do what you love. Yeah.
Before tayo mag-end, meron kaming, sa'yo,
Yeah.
questions.
Yeah, go.
Mag-ano tayo?
Hindi pala tapos yung
Di
question.
pa tapos to.
Tagal lang.
Sige, mag-ano ako, bro. Meron akong, fast talk tayo.
Fast talk.
Fast talk with RB Tong. Okay, so ano lang to, konti lang to, bro. Mga
Mga 7.
37 questions.
Fast ba yan?
Okay. Sige, ready na?
Yeah, go for
Okay, sige.
Wait lang. Sure, ready ka na?
Yeah.
Ready ka na? Ano to? Medyo personal to.
Personal ba?
Spicy.
Wait.
Oh. Okay, sige. Game. Scrubs or camera bag?
Camera bag.
Day shift or golden hour?
Golden hour, 100%.
Stethoscope or lens cap?
Lens cap.
Okay. Code blue or blue hour? What's blue hour?
Blue
I don't
Blue
know.
hour. It's the
It's like
Yung dawn? Ay, di
dawn.
ba?
No, after the
Dusk?
sunset. Dusk.
Dusk.
Ano, dawn.
Dawn.
Dusk
Basta
to
yun.
dawn. Basta
Twilight.
yun. Dawn.
Next.
Dusk or dawn. Parang ganun.
Parang that's
Okay. What's more stressful? An emergency room or an wedding shoot?
Ito.
Talaga?
The nurse
There's the show?
Ay!
Grabe naman.
Akala mo.
Na-stress ka ba dito?
Stress ako dito. Hindi, emergency room. Yeah.
Okay. So, dream subject to photograph.
Oh,
Si
Heart
Julia.
Evangelista.
Ah.
She's my dream subject.
Andun siya sa
to photograph.
Paris. Tawag
Talaga
niya.
ba? May number ka ba niya? Baka.
Actually, may kilala ako dati siyang photographer
din,
ni
yeah.
Hart.
Talaga?
Oo, yeah. Shout out Sir John Levent
Oh, wow.
from Paris, France.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think for me, like, Heart.
Sige,
Talaga.
let's achieve that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ito, patient story or photo shoot story? What's your patient
Oh.
before yung hindi mo makalimutan na as a nurse na parang
Akala ko
patient
fast
story.
talk to.
Hindi ito. Ito
Ano
lang
na
na
to?
question na to.
Slow talk na
Slow
to
talk
na
na to.
part.
Slow talk na to. Okay. Na-convert na.
Actually,
Kasi
nalipat na.
flexible tayo dapat eh.
Oo.
Actually,
Dynamic.
Hindi ko makakalimutan to. Like, it's a very serious topic, actually.
Sige.
When I was a student nurse, na-rotate kami sa mental health ward.
Oo, second.
And then we had a patient. She's a lady. And then nandun siya, but the family didn't know that she's there.
Oh.
So what our group did, so we asked for the address and the name of the family, and then pumunta kami doon, and we told the family that the patient is in there because they had no idea. And then from there we didn't know what happened after that, but at least we were able to tell them kasi yung patient mismo yung nagsabi na my family didn't know that I'm here, parang ganun. So baka pwede nyo ganyan. And then
Grabe,
so
hindi ba na-check ng history,
I
social
know,
history?
I know. So yun, I think when we went there, parang nagulat yung family, and then
Yeah.
we were able
Nice.
to reconnect, parang ganun, something like that.
Unforgettable photo shoot story.
Unforgettable photo shoot with Banks Garcia
Oh.
sa Westminster.
You enjoyed?
It's
Yeah.
just the two of us. So si Banks very game siya sa lahat.
As
So
in?
so
Nakita ko
naka-gown.
nga.
So naka-gown siya and everything. She did her own hair and makeup. And then yung dalawa lang kami sa Westminster. Like, buhat yung gamit niya, dalawa lang kami, walang assistant.
Di ba, bro, ngayon may EJ, assistant ka.
Wow, hindi mo kailangan mag-test assistant.
May siege man to third assistant.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah,
Second
so I
pala.
think, yun.
Okay, ano pa? Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Yeah.
Flash on? Flash off. Flash on, flash off.
Flash off.
Yeah. Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Happiness. Okay. Ikaw, bro.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Ayun,
Okay, so, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, RV.
No,
RV.
thanks for having me, guys.
Kung saan ka nila makfa-follow or saan ka nila pwede i-contact? Gusto nila
I'm on
photoshoot.
Facebook and Instagram, RVTong Photography, and I have a website which is www.rvtongphotography.com, and TikTok din, RVTong, pero hindi ako nagpo-post masyado. So, yeah, yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you. And Sige, ikaw? Gusto kang pasalamatan?
Ako, pwede nyo din ako i-follow sa Facebook, Siege Manto. And thank you so much, TransferGo, for making this episode happen. And again, guys, if you would like to send money to the Philippines, fast, reliable, safe, TransferGo na yan.
Yeah. And me, pwede mo rin ako i-follow, syempre. EJ Abarientos on Facebook. And meron din akong studio, EJA Creatives on Instagram and Facebook. Pareho kami ni RV, photographer here in the UK.
Yes.
And thank you, TransferGo, as well. Yep. So,
Ayun, so, before tayo mag-bye-bye, meron kaming gift kay RV.
Oh, thank you, guys.
Ito yung
Simple
very limited
token.
edition, mga 10 lang ang may ganito sa whole world.
Oo.
So, it's
10
a
lang?
nurse show.
Pinagawa pa namin yan sa Switzerland.
Yeah,
Oh,
Switzerland.
wow.
Actually,
Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat.
may laman to sa loob. Huwag mo na lang ipakita kasi,
Pati nga.
kasi gold.
Tingnan natin.
From the mountains of Switzerland yan. Yung,
Meron nga. And may gift din ako sa inyo.
Oh, thank you, camera.
Actually, lens na nabibigay ko sa'yo.
Ay, talaga ba?
O bigyan sana kitang
Okay
lens.
na.
Hindi, kaso yung sponsor inaantay ko.
Kaso ginagamit pa namin.
Ginagamit pa.
Anyway, thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
RV.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, bye,
It's an
everyone.
honor. Thank you, everyone. So, this is
I hope you
the
enjoyed the
Nurse
Show.
Hey, this is RV Tong. For more interesting nurses stories, follow the Nurse Show.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yung episode natin ngayon? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa chismis.
This is your safe space, mga ka-Nurse Squad. We feel you, we hear you, and we are you. This is the Nurse Show. Dito ka belong.